Are you gonna stay up here or come milk the goats with me?
Come milk the goats with me. You know that. I know how to milk.
Oh really? How do you do it?
I grab the teats and then spray it.
Yeah, good. Come on. Good morning. Again. Who do you want to milk?
Foxy, because she's my favorite goat.
Oh, why is she your favorite?
Because I like brown and dark.
You like brown? What are you gonna do?
Give her one ball.
Her worm ball? Okay.
Yeah.
What does it do?
It makes her health.
Her healthy, yeah. Good. Is it tickle?
Yeah. Why does she eat like that?
Because she's a goat. When you milk, you squirt out the first squirts.
Okay.
Good.
Can I not do it myself?
You can try, yeah.
I can't.
Well, you gotta squeeze it. You can. You did it! There you go. So he just lasted a few minutes on that. This really isn't even about teaching him to milk. It's more just he was interested. He wanted to come help me this morning. And then he was uninterested. And I just want to encourage you guys with children with little children, not to push them, but just to help encourage and flourish the inquisitiveness and the curiosity. And so, yeah, I don't mind at all that he didn't stay down here the whole time this morning. Of course, with my older children, especially the girls, Grace and Joyful, because they're the oldest, if they ask to help with the job, I typically, depending on what it is, require that they go through the whole process. Say if they want to make cookies, they don't get just to do the fun. They don't get to just do the fun part of making cookies. They also have to clean up. And the same with the goats. I require that they do the whole process because there is a huge satisfaction for anyone, but especially when we're talking about children, older children, and completing the job and seeing the reward. Whereas with the younger children, the satisfaction comes with just getting to help. I just think it's always the cutest, most chaotic thing when baby goats and mama are reunited. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, are you getting our pool stuff ready?
Yeah, I can't find it all.
What's all over your face?
Back here behind this milking stand, milking the other side of the cow. And when we've milked Alice, we've not gotten that much cream in her milk. Our theory is because she produces so much, we've never actually milked her out completely, and then the calves get on and get all the cream. So we're trying something new, which is this, milking with the calf on the back on those teats that are a little harder to milk. And we milk the front at the same time. And that calf just came bolting out of the stall. We only let one out. Beefsteak is just too aggressive. I mean, she's aggressive enough.
But she'll let the hind milk down for the calf.
I think she's already let the hind milk down. So the hind milk is the creamy milk that if you only get it if you milk out most of their milk. But I think this looks creamier coming out as is, like more yellow.
She took my spot. I just decided to concede to her. Dandy, I am so jealous of all that cream you're getting. I'm so jealous. But I wasn't about to fight with you this morning.
I want to put this milk separately and see how much cream this has in it compared to the other stuff.
Well, yeah, we have the whole other jug that I brought down here.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll just put that in that can.
Can you take the bucket?
And our first milking is in this one, and put our second milking in here. And then we'll be able to see if we got some more cream later whenever it separates. I really think that Alice, if we could milk her all the way out as our hands get stronger, I think we'll get 3 gallons.
I think if we keep doing this team milking, that will do better.
Yeah, team milking is really working. Come over here and look at these milks and see if you can tell which one has the hind milk, the creamy milk.
That was the creamy one. Creamier than that one. Wow.
That's our first bit, and then this is what we got after we let the calf on. These two.
This is what we've been getting.
Every time, always this white
Even
milk.
to the end. So we've been getting that much cream.
I mean, you guys, this is ridiculous for a Jersey cow to get that much cream. But this over here, I mean, look at that. You may not be able to tell in the video, but this is like yellow, and this is white. Yellow
well, that's cool.
Cream. I know.
Bree went to the pool with the other kids and left the Wilder, the baby, and I to do some work, and we haven't really done much work. We've been cleaning up in the house and taking naps. Now we're going to throw these 16 bales of hay into the garden and do some serious mulching. We're gonna mulch around the corn, we're gonna mulch around the sweet potatoes, around the beans, between the rows and the paths, right up next to the plants, and try to keep these weeds down. Let's see how far 16 bales will go. We love mulching our garden to keep down the weeds, enrich the soil, and maintain moisture in the soil. It's just such a fun activity, and it's had such great results for us. Now, we never were alone out here in the garden because the mama ducks and all their babies are actually out here with us. You see that? Did you see those ducks? Yeah, duck. And they are great garden friends to have. They do minimal damage to the plants. And yet they eat tons of insects. Well, most of the damage they do to the plants is by running over them, not eating them. Bree's home, so we're gonna come in out of the heat. I think I helped her unload her car. Look who's home.
Give that baby to me.
I had fun with him.
Did you have fun?
Have a kiss.
It was really fun being there with Rebecca in the rain and all the kids, and because they just played and played and played, and we actually got to like hang out and
He
stuff.
just gave me a real big kiss.
Kisses from a baby. Nothing sweeter. I'm gonna take you into my fridge here to show you the cream lines on this milk. And I don't know if you can see them on the camera, so I'm just gonna use a permanent marker. So this is the cream line we've been getting. These are both from this morning's milking. This is the container that we milked after we put the calf on. Now, it's possible there's a little bit more cream in the second half of what we milked before, but nothing like this. So we're gonna throw the calf on this cow, on Miss Alice, and try that, just throwing the calf on briefly at the beginning of milking, because that is some serious cream.
Because we want butter. Butter, baby. You guys keep asking us, what are we gonna do with a cow and with goats? And we're gonna drink the goat's milk, and we're gonna make butter with the cow's milk, and we're gonna raise a beef steer with the cow.
Treat of the day is this homemade ice cream. It's kind of like a soft serve ice cream made in the blender, and it just has 2 ingredients, milk and maple syrup. How is it, Justice? How is it, Mama?
Really good. It tastes like snow cream.
Yummy.
But better, like Justice said, but better.
Folks, it's been another great day on the homestead. Thank you for joining us. See you next time. Bye.